For years, we've all heard the same advice. If you want to grow online, you have to be consistent. But the reality is that consistency usually means spending hours editing videos, searching for B-rolls or filming them, writing scripts, recording voiceovers, and putting everything together in an editor. It's a process that burns out a lot of creators before they even get started. But what if most of that work could simply disappear? That's exactly what CapCut AI templates are trying to do. AI templates can turn a simple idea into a fully structured video in just a few minutes. The script, the visuals, the voiceover, the captions, and even the pacing of the scene can be generated for you. You start with a complete video structure that you can customize in a few clicks. The process is so fast, it almost feels like magic, turning a simple idea into a ready-to-post video in just a couple of minutes. And once you see how it works, you will understand why so many creators are starting to use it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how CapCut AI templates work, how styles and avatars change the result, and how you can turn a simple idea into a polished video without spending hours editing. I'm Agnes, your guide to mastering CapCut, and if you're ready, let's jump in. Open CapCut and go to AI Video Maker. At the top, you will see the idea box where you normally type your prompt, but just below that, you will find a section called Inspiration. This is where CapCut gives you different starting points, so you can guide the AI before it creates anything. Right here, you will see several tabs: trending, AI templates, styles, and avatars. Each of these helps shape the kind of video CapCut is about to generate. Trending shows popular examples of what people are currently creating. It's useful for quick inspiration, but the real power starts with AI templates. Inside the AI template section, you will see different video formats that CapCut has already prepared for you. Each template has its own storytelling structure, pacing, and visual direction. Think of it like choosing a blueprint for your video. Instead of designing the structure yourself, the template already knows how the story should flow. Some templates are designed for storytelling, some for educational content, and others for more cinematic style. When you click on a template, something interesting happens. CapCut automatically places a short prompt inside the idea box. You can see here. That prompt tells the AI what kind of video this template is designed to generate. You can keep the prompt exactly as it is if that meets your topic, or you can edit it so it fits your own content idea. And this is where templates become so powerful. When you simply type a random prompt, the AI decides everything on its own. But when you choose a template first, the structure of the video is already defined. That means the pacing, storytelling, style, and scene structure are already organized before the video is even generated. Next to templates, you will see styles. Templates shapes the story, while styles control how the video looks visually. Typing a prompt alone can produce inconsistent results. With the style selected, the AI has a clearer direction. Some styles are more realistic, some look animated, some feel cinematic, and others look more illustrated. But note, unlike templates, styles do not automatically generate a prompt in the idea box. Choosing a style helps the AI keep the visuals consistent throughout the video, which usually makes the final result feel much more polished. So if you already know the type of story you want, choose a template. If you want to control how the video looks, choose a style. Explore them, try a few, and pick the one that fits your idea best. Both approaches guide the AI before generation, and that small step often makes a huge difference in how professional the result looks. Then we also have avatars, which is another interesting feature. Avatars combine two things. They provide a voice for your narration, and they can also appear visually inside your video as a presenter. So instead of a standard AI voice, you can actually have a digital character presenting your content. For this example, I'm going to choose Evelina Teacher, partially because she looks a bit like me. But also because the voice sounds natural and it fits the style of the video I'm about to create. Once you select an avatar, it becomes both your narrator and the visual element inside the video. We've selected our template or style. I picked the cartoon 3D template for this example. We have a prompt. We are making a video about 7 things I wish I knew earlier. And we've chosen our avatar to be the narrator. Then we define the duration and aspect ratio depending on where we want to post the video. Make it a 1-minute YouTube short in 9:16. Now we're ready to hit create. At this point, CapCut does most of the heavy lifting. Look at how AI is working for us. Now a video brief is being generated. You can see the first draft in the key element panel. Here the AI writes the narration and outlines the idea for the scene. If we don't like this draft, we can refine the topic or add a more detailed prompt and generate another video brief. We can repeat this procedure until we are happy with the direction. We can also choose what we want for scene media. Images are fine, but video will be more fun. I hope you agree. Now, let's generate the actual video. Then AI creates the full script, creates the visuals, records the voiceover, places captions, and structures the pacing of the video automatically. Within a short moment, you already have a complete video draft ready to watch. And this is the moment when you realize how much time this tool can actually save. How amazing is that? And notice something important here. Because we started with a template, the visual follow a structured storytelling pattern or the visual direction we selected instead of feeling random. Isn't it cool? That's the advantage of templates. The video already feels structured from the beginning. Of course, you're not looked into what the AI generates, but the goal here isn't perfection. The real advantage is speed. Templates are designed to get you 80% of the way there instantly. You can, of course, swap the music if the AI picked something that doesn't match your taste, or apply smart edit elements from the Elements panel if you want to enhance the result with different captions, sound effects, or subtle motion. Leave sound and effects ticked and leave the intensity in medium, then hit apply. The biggest advantage here is that you are not starting from zero. The template already gives you a structured concept and visual direction. For creators who publish regularly, this can save a huge amount of time. Once the video looks good, you have 2 options. You can export the video immediately and post it on social media, or you can click Edit More and bring the project into CapCut's main editor. This is where you can use more advanced tools to shape your video further to your own style. You can see all the layers on the timeline, you can add extra sound effects, control the music, add transitions, filters, or use even more advanced editing techniques. There are tons of knowledge on our channel you can browse. The bottom line is that templates give you speed, but the editor still gives you full creative control. I have to emphasize that AI doesn't replace editing skills, but it gives you a powerful starting point if you want to create content faster or automate part of your workflow.
There are some things I've learned along the way that I wish I could go back and tell my younger self. First, that it's okay that some people are only in your life for a season. You learn to cherish the time you have, and you also learn to gently let go. Second, pay attention to who shows up when things are hard. Those are your people. Third, no isn't always a rejection. Sometimes it's just a course correction, guiding you to where you're meant to be. Fourth, your energy is precious. Be mindful of who and what you give it to. It's okay to put yourself first. Fifth, the way you talk to yourself matters more than you think. Be your own biggest supporter. Sixth, you can't move forward if you're always looking back. It's so important to forgive yourself and let the past be the past. And finally, try not to rush through the small everyday moments. One day, you'll realize they were the big moments all along.
Templates guide the storytelling. Styles guide the visuals. Avatars give you a voice and a presenter. And when you combine those together, you can turn a simple idea into a finished video with a ready-made structure. If you'd like to see more CapCut AI tools in action, I have another video where I explore several of them inside the editor and show you how they can help speed up your editing workflow, especially when you want to refine or build on top of your template videos. I link it down below. I hope this video helped you see how powerful CapCut AI templates can be. If it did, hit that like button so more creators can discover our channel. And subscribe if you want more simple CapCut tips and faster ways to create content. So open CapCut, explore a few templates, experiment with different styles, and see what kind of videos you can create. Then tell me in the comments what you built and what you want me to cover next. And I'll see you in the next one.